Hey guys, it's Adam and Uncle Steve here with the Knowles Woolsey team, and today we're in one of our favorite locations. We're downtown Barrie on the beautiful shores of Kempenfelt Bay. We have a fantastic new lakefront condo listing for you, 2 Toronto Street, Suite 1011.
Guys, I don't know if you know this or not, but Barrie has the most spectacular waterfront in all of Ontario. It's absolutely gorgeous. The city has spent a ton of money on it. It is second to none, I promise you. But let's check out this suite here. We've got over 1,600 square feet in this gorgeous bungalow model, Beachcomber, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Let's get inside and have a closer look. Talk about impressive design and features here. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath suite really does have it all. Check out this oversized kitchen here. Gorgeous granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and then a little cherry on top is this gorgeous solarium that functions as private dining or an office.
At over 1,600 square feet, this unit's bigger than most of the detached homes I've sold in Toronto, and not a single one of them had a view like this.
This spectacular view really will leave you breathless. If you're looking for $1 million view for well under $1 million, this is the spot to be.
For more information on this listing and others like it, check out our website.